A solid service guarantee is essential for hotel operations. SPLUS provides more than just a lock. We offer a complete peace of mind solution. Before cooperation, we match you with the optimal solution based on your actual needs. We have also established a systematic stepwise training system covering 4 key parts: management, technology, operation, and maintenance, making it easy for your team to get started. From pre-sales to guest check-in, SPLUS supports you every step of the way. Professional staff provide on-site installation, truly saving you time and effort. We offer a 2-year warranty, ensuring your hotel locks remain stable and reliable over the long term. Documentation in local language and bilingual software, Chinese and English, ensure intuitive operation without barriers. With global 24/7 online and customer support, local agents promptly resolve any issues for you. SPLUS has established local warehousing worldwide, guaranteeing rapid parts replacement and minimizing any disruption to your hotel operations.